Did you know that you can do SEO, search engine optimization, on your Google My Business or Google Maps listing? If you didn't know, make sure you stay with me through the end of this training to learn what to do. If you knew, watch the training to make sure that you've done everything that you can for Google Maps or Google My Business. Hi, I'm Rachel Linteigen, president and founder of Etched Marketing and Etched Marketing Academy, and I'm here to teach you quick and easy tips for SEO. So this week we're talking about optimizing for Google My Business or Google Maps. So when you have a Google My Business listing, the first thing you're going to want to do is to verify it. If you have not yet verified your Google My Business listing, you'll want to check out the blog post that I'll link below that'll walk you through the process. That's very, very important because you do need to verify your listing. Once you have it verified, and then you can come back and you can start working on optimizing. Now, in order to optimize your Google My Business or Google Map listing, you're going to want to go through essentially the same process that you go through to optimize your own website. You're going to want to add content, you're going to want to target specific keywords, and you're going to want to add images. So in your Google My Business listing, you can add your website, you can add your business hours, you can add information about your business, you can share promotions and events, and you should do all of this. Then you have an area to add a description. I want you to focus on your core business keywords in your description because your Google My Business listing in many instances will outrank your website. So you want to make sure that should your Google My Business listing rank higher than your website in a search query, your potential customer sees the information that's relevant to them, clicks to that listing, and then ultimately clicks through to your website. Having them go to the Google My Business listing prior to coming to your website is not a bad thing. And in some cases, that is going to be what happens because they will show the Google My Business listing, the map pack above the actual search results. So add in that content that is relevant to your ideal customer. Describe your core products and services and use your core keywords. The other thing you can do is to optimize your images. Like we talked about in this video, make sure you watch that one to learn how to optimize your images. Make sure you're using optimized image file names, including both your core keyword, and business name. And that will help you with a little boost for Google image search SEO as well. All right, guys, that's it. Like I said, super quick and easy. Go through, add in some optimized copy, add in some keywords, add some information about your business, add in some photos. If you've got a chance to get some reviews, start working on that. Ask for reviews. Customers like to see testimonials and reviews from other customers before they make a purchase. It's not necessarily an SEO tip, but that's a marketing tip. Make sure you get some reviews. If you're not sure how to do that, I've got a blog post that talks about how to get Google My Business reviews. I'll link it for you so that you can find that as well. If you're ready to learn more about SEO, I've got 2 tips for you. The first one is grab a copy of my SEO Quick Start Guide. I created it with you in mind. It's going to walk you through exactly what you need to do for SEO on your website or blog. Number 2, join me in my free Facebook group, SEO Made Easy with Rachel. The links for both of those are in the comments below, as you already expect. All right, guys, if you found this helpful, I would love for you to like it, subscribe, and then leave me a comment. Let me know if you have started optimizing your Google My Business listing yet, or if you're going to get to it and add it to your to-do list so that you get to it soon. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you soon.